Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the Windows Update Troubleshooter to fix Windows Update problems, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure and I will explain everything. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now, why is this important? This is important because as of present, it's only troubleshooter in the list, which does not direct you to the Get Help app. It starts detecting the problems and solves them if possible. So, does it really work? Well, to quite an extent, it does, because it will check the consistency of the services, whether the services are on or not. If not, it will ask you to switch them on, like the Windows Update service and all. And then as you can see, it says that there are problems. Okay, so one thing is that it checks the consistency of the services, then it checks the registry values and all, and mentions them if required. So we can this can be very helpful in fixing our problems, or at least detecting them. If that doesn't help, then the next solution is to reset the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. Once these two solutions are done, most of the Windows Update related problems are fixed. And in the rare case they are not, then you can always download the updates manually from the Windows Update catalog. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.